Okay, so this is a viewer's question. So does vertigo get caused by sleep apnea? Hey, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives. And today I was looking through some of the comments on my videos, and someone asked, does my sleep apnea cause vertigo? And I gotta be honest with you, this is a little bit of a trick question, right? Because sleep apnea is a collection of difficulties as it relates to breathing, particularly while you're sleeping. And vertigo is a collection of symptoms that doesn't really have or has multiple different causes or triggers. Now, here's how the two connect. So when I look over here at my spine, so you know, we're gonna really focus in on this area right here at the base of the skull. And we're going to focus on it. It's called the brainstem. This is the area where the vestibular centers are. That's the part that lets you know where you are in space and knows how to keep you balanced. There also are sleep centers really close to this area. So when someone has difficulty and that area gets impinged, gets stretched, gets broken down or bad feedback, guess what can happen? Sleep issues and vertigo issues. So which came first, the chicken or the egg? I don't have the exact answers for you, but if you have either of these conditions, you probably need to get your spine checked, because if there's tension along the spinal cord, it's going to cause your brainstem to be stretched and your body's going to break down. And some of the ways that shows up is with difficulty on breathing with sleeping, or when you're not in control of things, or with your balance. If you've got more questions like this, or you think that that may be you, I'm going to put a link to where we can hop on a discovery call to dig into your case and figure out why you're experiencing this and what your next best step is. If you've got more questions, that's the best way for us to help. I want to thank you for being here, and if you know someone who's going through this, be sure to share this video with them. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.